Motivational, back with another one. Now, check this out. On this video, I want to go over why you should never trust Social Blade. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you don't know what Social Blade is, obviously if you're looking up this video, you may be interested in Social Blade. But Social Blade is basically a platform that allows you to see what your favorite YouTuber earns on YouTube. Now, you can look up any YouTube channel and it'll show you statistics on a channel. Now, as y'all can see right here, for 90,000 views this month, I got $1,200. Now, you're probably like, how the fuck you get $1,200 from 90,000 views? Or you probably don't even know how YouTube works. So, the reason I got that much money for only 90,000 views, so that's a lot of money for 90,000 views. Like, that's a lot of money. And the reason I got that much for 90,000 views when it normally take people 1 million views to get $1,200, it's because my CPM on YouTube is very high. My CPM is about $30, right? If I click on my revenue, you can see my CPM is $32. So really, for 68,000 views, 68.7 thousand views, or monetized playbacks, that's what really matters. The monetized playbacks, the amount of time somebody watched my video, and was shown an ad, right? That's what really matters, the monetized playbacks. Right, so for 68,000 views, I got $1,200, and that's because my CPM is $32 on YouTube. When other people's CPM be like, $5, $7, $9, it be low. But because Yon World talks about educational content, informative content, I give y'all entertaining content, I give y'all everything, man, on Yon World. So if you new, you might as well subscribe, man. Your boy Yon World going up. But Yon World is a lifestyle channel. It's a variety of things. You can learn a lot on Yon World. So, they pay more for that. And once I learned that, I started taking it serious. Now, the real reason I started taking YouTube serious is because I found Social Blade. Now, when I found this platform, Social Blade, it was 2019, right? And I was watching a bunch of YouTubers, right? I was looking up like let me show you before we even look at mine. CJ So Cool. All right, this was one of the YouTubers that inspired me because, he was 26 when he started YouTube. He was 26 years old. By the time that man turned 29, 30, I'm talking about millionaire. They're making so much money. Let me show you. And this is a rough estimate, right? Social Blade is telling us that he making $162,000 per month. This is not $162,000 per year. You know what I'm saying? This is per month. And once I realized that you can make this much money, and this is wrong, right? This is wrong. He probably made 300. You know what I'm saying? He probably made double that. And once I realized you can get that much off of AdSense revenue from YouTube, once that shit clicked in my head, I was like, it's a wrap. I got to figure out, how to do this. Not only do I have to figure out, I got to get started right now. Like, so from that point on, if you go to my YouTube, my history, you can even look at my recent history. Search Yon World. You're going to see a latest videos tab. When you really upload on YouTube, you get the latest videos tab. When you search a YouTuber's name, you're going to see videos from yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, and multiple videos, because I don't play. Like, once I learned that, it's a way out like this, you can build a platform along with it. Like, you can do anything. Like CJ So Cool, he dropped a song to his following. A large percentage of them, he got 8 million subscribers. You know what I'm saying? If 10% of them click through on everything he did, he's good forever. So with that being said, let me just show y'all my account. YON WORLD, right? YON WORLD, y'all see YON WORLD lifestyle channel designed around personal development and financial topics. On YON WORLD, you'll find videos about law of attraction, passive income, everything. Make that money online. Now, y'all see when I got started, 14, but I really only been taking it serious since 2019. That's where all these uploads came from. But look, it say I made $406 this month. And it said I got 100,000 views. This is why you have to take Social Blade as an estimate. And you got to know Social Blade is wrong. You know what I'm saying? And you got to always look at the number to the right. Don't look at this petty number to the left and think that's what somebody really making. They ain't making, they making way more than that. You know what I'm saying? Certain YouTubers show it. Like certain YouTubers show how much money they make. Certain YouTubers don't. Like if you look at PewDiePie, right? Let's go to PewDiePie page. This is the #1 YouTuber in the motherfucking world, right? This is the #1 YouTuber. If y'all don't know, if you just find this video random, it's saying he make $1.1 million per month. He make $1 million, but if you watch PewDiePie, he wear normal, you know, sports gear clothes. Like he don't be flashy. So you would never know, like if you see a YouTuber like PewDiePie, Mr. Beast. Like, let me show you Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, another big YouTuber, but they make it $1.1 million per month. And it's probably $2 million. You probably make it $2 million a month. Probably make it $2 million a month off AdSense revenue. So, damn, 100 million subscribers, man. 100 million subscribers making 1 point. Man, it's crazy out here. Now, DDG family. This was another YouTuber that once I found on Social Blade, you know, it inspired me, man. It inspired me to like to just see DDG 50 racks. 50 racks in a month. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Like, people making that in 1 year. To have a 50 coming in, you know, this month, next month, month after that. You up. You up. You making what, you know what I'm saying? People working 2-3 years to touch 50. Making that shit in a month. It's a whole different tax bracket. It's a whole different mindset, man. It's a whole different mindset with this shit. So, it's shit like that that motivated me to want to do YouTube serious. More serious, you know? And if you look at my page, like I'm already on a track to have a great YouTube channel, you know, with my CPM being so high and me building my followers daily. Like I'm growing daily on YouTube. Right now we have 23,800 subscribers, man. We're doing about 20-30 subscribers a day. If I post a hit video, so I can get 100 subscribers in a day. You know what I'm saying? And it's only a matter of time before I post that one viral video. You know what I'm saying? And what I noticed with all YouTube channels is once they post that viral video, you know, it's a correlation in subscribers that naturally come. So you get a million view video, you know, 1 million views on a video, you might get 50,000 subscribers. Then on top of that, they watch other videos. It builds momentum to your channel. YouTube sees that. It triggers signals in their algorithm, and they begin to promote you even more. So I just figured out a method. You know what I'm saying? It's YouTube, and I'm gonna take it serious. I just upload every day. I try to share as much valuable content with y'all as possible. Just to let y'all know what's possible. Showing you people are making 50,000 to 100,000 to 1 million, you know, per month on YouTube, man. Easy. Easy. It's nothing, man. It's nothing. And then y'all gotta know, like the motherfucking Social Blade is wrong. Social Blade is wrong. It's another YouTuber I follow, Soluminati, making 30 bands a month on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? There's people working hard. There's people working hard at the plant. You know what I'm saying? 12-hour shifts every motherfucking four days out the week type shit. Make it just to bring home 30 bands. You know what I'm saying? Just bring 30, 40 bands a year. And it's a way you can make this shit in a month. That's all they had to tell me. That's literally all I had to know. Like once I learned the power of YouTube, man. Cause all I gotta do is get a hit. I produce so many, I take so many shots. I take so many shots at the YouTube algorithm. Like every video I make is another shot. And the thing about these shots, you know what I'm saying? They long range. Some of them go a little quicker. I might throw one up there, it might hit. Pop! It might hit it immediately. You know what I'm saying? Some videos you might make a video and then it don't pick up to a year later. So never stop making shots. You gotta make shots at the YouTube algorithm, man. Keep taking shots at the YouTube algorithm, man. Because it's gonna bless you, it's gonna pay you along the way. Y'all see, like, even though I don't have a super big channel, I'm getting, good money from this channel. I think $1,200, for 60,000 views, 68,000 views. When I'm telling you, it takes certain channels, 1 million views to make $1,000. So my content started going viral. I'm eating off a million views. Off a million views, I'm making 10 bands. I'm making $10,000 off a million views. So my CPM gonna be way different. But yeah, this is my video for today. I'm just sharing this information with y'all, just to let y'all know to never trust Social Blade, man. Know these people making way more. Know that Soluminati, DDG, the PewDiePies, the Mr. Beast. Let me show y'all Mr. Beast. I ain't even show y'all Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, another YouTuber that I look up to, I admire, because they grind it. Like, these YouTubers I'm showing y'all grinding, man. 1.3 million. 1.3 million per month. This is what he making per month. You know what I'm saying? So crazy, man. This is just an estimate, right? This is wrong. It could be 2.6. It said yesterday he made 84,000. He made 84,000 yesterday. Okay? Like somebody, like what the fuck? You made 84,000 yesterday. 24 hours ago, $84,000 was made. In the recession, in the pandemic, in the Great Depression, man. YouTube is recession proof. Like the internet is recession proof, man. Y'all better build y'all platforms. If y'all got kids, if you don't want to get on here, you better put your kid on here, get that bag. It's a lot of tension going on in America, between black and white. But I'm going to tell you the main color. The real color in America is green. It's the real color, man. You get enough green, motherfuckers stop seeing black and white. So, it's your boy, Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I just want to show y'all people making 80,000. Look, on Sunday he made 100 bands. That's a great Sunday. That's a dog ass Sunday. So hey, I ain't gonna never stop. I don't care if my YouTube only get to $25,000 per month. You know what I'm saying? I would not give a fuck. If I'm able to make $25,000 per month consistently, you know what I'm saying, just from YouTube AdSense revenue, I know that viewership alone, that audience alone that's bringing me that amount of money, gonna translate to other money. You know what I'm saying? I see the full spectrum around this shit. You know what I'm saying? I see the full picture. So I ain't gonna never stop YouTube. I ain't gonna never stop uploading daily. We gonna upload every day. We alive. We breathing every day, man. Any thought we got, we gonna upload on YouTube. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.